Hey babes, how are you guys? I am great. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? I'm Destiny Taylor. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below before you leave so you can join the XO gang and never miss a video. So as you guys can see from the title, I have another natural hair video and I'm really excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been wearing braids for like the past 2.5 months, so I really haven't been able to do my natural hair. So this is really exciting. I haven't posted a twist out tutorial in years, so I'm really excited to update you guys. My hair is more healthy, my technique is way better, and obviously there are definitely better products on the market, and I'm starting to figure out what type of products work for my hair, so I have way better results than I had in that video that you guys are still commenting on. If you're interested to see that video, it's down below. Actually, it's a flat twist out video, but it's down below in the description box. This twist out is very juicy. It's frizz-free and it has a lot of body, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And this is like some of the best results that I have ever gotten with the twist out, so super excited. All of the products that I used today to get this look are brand new. I've never used them before, and actually I've never used these brands before. I decided to go to Marshall's and just pick up a bunch of natural hair products and do a tutorial using only Marshall's products because, girl, I got an entire routine, all this stuff for under $50. It was like $49.50 or something like that. So definitely check out Marshall's because yeah. So I'm going to get into this video. If you have any questions about the products that I use to create this style, you can leave a comment down below. But I'm also about to record right now a review video of all of these products that I got from Marshall's. That'll be really in-depth and give you the deets, and that'll be down below in the description box as well. So yeah, let's just get into this video.
Voiceover time. So starting with cleansing, taking the shampoo by Aunt Jackie's, and I absolutely adore the way this product lathered in my hair. Again, before we go deeper into the video, I will be posting a full review on all of the products that I am using today in this video. You can check the DB down below for that video, and if the video hasn't been uploaded yet, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment box for any questions you have about these products, and I will definitely answer them. That conditioner by Aunt Jackie's is popping as well. Just putting on a shower cap and letting it sit for 10 minutes. Taking my leave-in, this is by Jane Carter's Solution, and I'm just going to talk about this just a little bit because this product is poppin', especially if you have fine strands like I do, and a lot of products weigh your hair down. This product is super lightweight and it has the best slip to it, like my god. So now I'm taking this Honey Curls Custard by TGIN, and I'm using this as my styler today to get those poppin' curls that we saw with this twist out. Starting with my first section, just taking I call this a rat tail comb, just making sure this section is completely detangled, and I'm taking only a tad bit of that Honey Curls Custard just because custards usually weigh my hair down, so I literally took the smallest amount and I just smoothed that all over the section, and I'm just going down with a regular twist, making sure to pull the twist tight as I'm going so it's nice and tight, not too tight, just tight enough. And then once I get to the end, I'm just going to use my finger to make a finger curl coil at the bottom. Now I'm going to repeat, taking that rat tail comb, making sure this section is nice and detangled and smooth, because you want your sections to be very smooth, and that's how you're going to get very nice uniform tight curls. Grabbing a tad bit of that product, smoothing it all over that section, and now I'm beginning to twist. And periodically for a lot of these sections, I did go through and grab the rat tail comb if I did feel like my curls weren't smooth enough, and that just made the process super easy and my twists very uniform. So I'm going to show you guys this twist out process 2 more times in the front so you can get a better view, and I'm going to do it silently because I know some people just like to chill, some people just like to chill and watch, and yeah. Alright, so the twists are done. They're nice, juicy, and hydrated, and they turned out so good. So I'm about to go to bed, and usually what I do when I'm doing like a twist out or a braid out or anything like that, I just take a scarf to wrap around the perimeter of my head, and then I just let my twist hang out and chill while I sleep. And I do have a satin pillowcase, so when I wake up in the morning, I don't have any like pulls or any discombobulated twists. But this is how they look. They dried so beautifully. I can say that the custard did dry a bit dull, but this next step is going to bring a lot of the life back into my curls. So I'm taking this spray on oil by Jane Carter Solution, and I just really do like this brand. I feel like it's made for, okay, this is just me being me. I feel like it was made for my hair. Like, their products are very lightweight. I've used some of their products before, but I forgot how much my hair agrees with their products. I really do like them. So I just sprayed that all over, and now I'm just ready to go in and unravel those twists. And basically what I do is I start from the end and I just twist from the opposite direction. So I think I twisted it clockwise and I untwist it counterclockwise to be sure that I don't interrupt the curl, and I make sure I always start at the end. Now, one thing that I can say is I wish I would have used a bit more of the custard. So the curls in the front, the wave front, you'll notice that they're more tight, more defined than the curls in the back, because when I got in the front, I just wanted to test out how it would look if I used more product, which is weird because I probably should have did that to the back, but it turned out okay. But yeah, that's the one thing I would have changed about this twist out, is using more of that custard. But also, I am not sure if this product weighs my hair down or not. My hair, I really don't know. My hair doesn't have much body to it at all. Like, it doesn't hold, like, it can't hold anything pretty much. But I kind of would wonder, like, I was thinking the other day with the shape of my hair, I would love if the middle of my hair and some of the top of my hair could stick up and not be so flat down. But either way, as you can see, the twists turned out really nice and really popping. I just had that one question about the shape. So now we're going to go into unraveling the twist, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just going down the twist with my fingers, and I'm just finding the point where my hair naturally breaks, and that's, well, where the curl naturally splits. I'm sorry, not break, that's a bad word to use, but where it naturally splits, and just going through and splitting that up. I did split every single twist at least once. Some of them I was able to do twice, and just look at how much my hair kept the curl, and I don't have a crazy amount of frizz. I actually don't have any frizz at all. The only frizz that's coming is from my base, and that's because I didn't use a lot of that product. But still, this is popping. This looks really good, and I'm just happy. Next time I do this, I am going to try it with the TGIN gel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll give you guys an update on how that goes. So yeah, here are the twists. They're popping. I could leave my hair like this, but I like body and I like shape. So what I'm gonna do now is just grab a hair pick and just go in and pick my hair, lift it up a bit, and add some body. But I'm not going to do it too much though, because I don't want my hair to get any frizz.
Alright babes, thank you so much for watching this bomb twist out video. I am so in love. I'm loving it. I'm actually, for 25, I want to wear my natural hair more because I am completely falling in love with it. I'm in Los Angeles, so if anyone knows of a natural hairstylist that specializes in cuts in the LA area, please let me know, because I am interested in getting like a natural cut so I could get my shape together. But It's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Thumbs up if you enjoy. Please share if you enjoy, so I can get more eyes on my videos, so I can spend more time creating them. And also, let me know down in the comments below what video you would like to see next. But yeah, peace out.